Today we're fixing a Dyson showing the Airways Blocked message. If you don't have a blockage, I'll show you how to fix this without taking the vacuum apart. I've removed my battery, which is optional. Just take off your bin and filter and we are ready to start. We will clear the cyclone and mesh part shortly, but first, let's clean the main suction channels inside. I've got a small pipe cleaner, but if you have anything at all, like a kitchen skewer, you can use that to move any dust which is hiding up here. Next is this mesh filter. If there is dust blocking the inside of this, that will totally restrict airflow. I'm going to use a dry toothbrush to just disturb the dust inside before the next step. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just cleaning most of these holes is going to help fix this airflow issue. This in turn will also improve your suction. Now, the cyclone. We don't want to take it apart. So, if you have an air compressor, that would be perfect. Just blast air down into the cyclone, around the mesh filter and into the channels. But let's face it, hardly anyone owns a compressor, so today we are going to use a hairdryer. This one is quite powerful anyway. This will unsettle and blow out most of the dust from inside the vacuum. It goes without saying, but please do this outside as it gets really messy. Also consider wearing a mask if you are concerned about breathing the dust in. Now we have done these steps, we can carefully tap our vacuum into the towel and watch the dust come out. Again, we are just lightly tapping the vacuum onto the towel, that way nothing will be damaged. And finally, the filter is a huge cause of the Airways Blocked fault. Dyson filters can be washed and dried before putting back on, but they do need changing every 12 to 18 months. To test yours, hold a torch up to the filter. You should be able to see light. If you can't see light, replace your filter with a brand new one. This will let the motor breathe again and airflow will be perfect. Now, when you fit your new filter, any last bits of dust may be sucked straight into it. So after using it for a few minutes, just tap off any dust. Now, with a clear filter, this Airways Blocked message will be gone for good. Now, if ever the message does return, just check your filter and your pipes for anything obvious.